Welcome, business owners and entrepreneurs, to a candid discussion about a modern dilemma, the allure of AI agents as freelance workers. On the surface, the idea is tempting. Endless productivity, no coffee breaks, and certainly no complaints about the Office playlist. But let's be honest, the reality of hiring an AI for creative or nuanced tasks can quickly turn into a comedic, albeit frustrating, ordeal. Imagine asking for a groundbreaking marketing campaign, only to receive a bland, generic rehash of every cliché known to man. AI agents, for all their processing power, often struggle with the very essence of human creativity, originality, and genuine insight. They can analyze data, sure, but can they truly innovate? Can they craft a narrative that resonates deeply with your audience, beyond mere keywords? Then there's the communication barrier. You ask for a simple report, and it delivers a verbose, technically accurate, but utterly nonsensical document. It's like talking to a highly intelligent alien who understands every word, but misses the entire point of the conversation. The nuances of human language, the unspoken context, the subtle implications, these are often lost in translation with an AI. You might find yourself spending more time clarifying instructions than if you had just done the task yourself. And context. Oh, the elusive context. AI agents operate on patterns and data, not on an understanding of your business's unique history or current market position. They can't read between the lines, anticipate future needs, or understand the unwritten rules of your industry. This lack of contextual awareness can lead to solutions that are technically sound, but strategically irrelevant, or even detrimental. Imagine an AI suggesting a marketing strategy that completely ignores a recent PR crisis, simply because it wasn't explicitly fed that specific data point. It's a stark reminder that while AI excels at processing information, it often falls short in applying wisdom. So, before you outsource your next critical project to an AI agent, consider the true cost of these digital freelancers. The time saved might be negated by the time spent correcting, clarifying, and ultimately, redoing the work. For tasks requiring genuine creativity, nuanced communication, and deep contextual understanding, human freelancers still hold an invaluable edge. Thank you for watching, and remember to choose your freelance partners wisely, whether they're carbon-based or silicon-based.